What we're looking at here is what I call a flat mount for action cameras, and I have this mounted on my dashboard in the van, and I use it for my GoPro Hero 3. What I do in this situation, I do understand that there are other cameras that are more sophisticated than this, but what I do in my case is a GoPro Hero 3 is enough so that I can get down the road and take footage, and it takes good enough shots to where it's not a problem going back and viewing the footage. So what I'm going to do now is turn my Hero 3 on. There it goes. Hit the record button. Now I can slide it back up to the dash. Slide in, lock and load. Let's record and check some footage. And that is the footage from my dash mounted flat mount that I use for the GoPro Hero 3. I actually had a passing thought about mounting this to my ski for when I go skiing in the winter, but then there might be some vibration issues, so I might actually experiment with that and post that footage too when it gets cold enough to ski. In the last Mount Dog video I did, I actually did not have the selfie stick on me at the time, and this sucker actually goes pretty big. I would say that's darn near 36 or 40 inches, so nice little tool to have. See you in the next video.